What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Cool Product. Are you ready to dominate the court? Today, we are diving into the top 5 best pickleball paddles set options available right now to help elevate your game, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Bravixs Pickleball Paddles Set. Bravixs Pickleball Paddles Set delivers a premium playing experience with a perfect balance of power, control, and comfort for both beginners and advanced players. Built with a 3-layer T700 carbon fiber construction, these paddles are designed for durability and consistent performance. The strong build helps you play confidently whether you are practicing casually or competing in more serious matches. One of the standout features of the Bravixs Pickleball Paddles Set is its enhanced spin capability. The advanced carbon friction surface adds extra grip on the ball, allowing you to generate more spin and better control your shots. This makes it easier to place the ball exactly where you want, giving you more control over your game. Comfort and control are further improved with the XD1 core technology. The 16mm ultra-dense core helps reduce vibrations significantly, which means less strain on your hand and arm during play. It also expands the sweet spot, making your shots more forgiving and consistent. Combined with a balanced weight of 7.9 ounces, the paddle feels stable yet easy to maneuver. The ultra-cushioned grip adds another level of comfort. Made from premium microfiber leather, it feels soft in your hand while still providing a firm and secure hold. The sweat-wicking design helps keep your hands dry, reducing slipping during intense matches and allowing you to play longer with better control. The paddle also features a 5.5-inch handle with an elongated shape, giving you the option for two-handed play. This design increases reach and leverage, helping you cover more court and deliver more powerful shots when needed. Approved by USA Pickleball, the Bravixs Pickleball Paddles Set meets official tournament standards. The set includes 2 paddles, 4 balls, and a convenient carrying bag, so you have everything ready to start playing right away. With strong construction, enhanced spin, reduced vibration, and comfortable grip, this set offers a complete and enjoyable pickleball experience. Next up, at number 4, we have the Oguka Pickleball Paddles Set. Oguka Pickleball Paddles Set delivers a complete and reliable setup for players who want solid performance without overcomplicating things. Built with advanced wood materials, these paddles offer a nice balance of power, control, and spin. The textured surface helps grip the ball better so your shots feel more controlled and intentional, whether you are just starting out or getting more competitive. The paddles are designed with a tournament-ready feel, featuring balanced weight distribution that makes them easy to swing and control. This helps reduce arm fatigue during longer matches while still allowing quick reactions during fast rallies. You can move confidently between offensive shots and defensive returns without feeling slowed down. Durability is another strong point. The Oguka Pickleball Paddles Set is built with shock-absorbing materials that help reduce vibration, making each hit feel smoother on your hands and joints. The rugged edge guard adds extra protection, helping prevent chips and damage so the paddles last longer even with regular use. Comfort plays a big role during gameplay, and the ergonomic non-slip grip makes a noticeable difference. The cushioned handle feels secure and comfortable in your hand, while the sweat-resistant design helps prevent slipping during intense matches. This allows you to stay focused and maintain control without constantly adjusting your grip. This is a full set designed for group play, which makes it especially practical. You get 4 paddles, 4 pickleballs, and 4 towels, along with a carrying bag for easy storage and transport. It is perfect for doubles matches, family games, or casual play with friends. With durable construction, comfortable handling, balanced performance, and a complete set of accessories, the Oguka Pickleball Paddles Set offers a fun and dependable way to enjoy the game right out of the box. Taking the 3rd spot is the Niupipo Pickleball Paddles Set. Niupipo Pickleball Paddles Set offers a strong mix of performance, comfort, and tournament readiness, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced players. This set of 2 paddles is officially approved by USA Pickleball, so it meets the standards required for competitive play. The wide-body paddle shape and lightweight build, around 7.62 to 8 ounces, make it easy to handle while still delivering solid performance on the court. The paddle construction focuses on power and control. It uses a fiberglass face combined with a polypropylene honeycomb core. The fiberglass surface adds extra pop to your shots, giving you more power with less effort. At the same time, the honeycomb core helps absorb impact, making each hit feel smoother and quieter. This balance makes the Niupipo Pickleball Paddles Set enjoyable for both aggressive shots and controlled play. Comfort is another key advantage. These paddles are lighter than many traditional options, which helps reduce strain on your elbow and shoulder during longer matches. You can play for extended periods without feeling as much fatigue. The low-profile edge guard also protects the paddle from damage while keeping the hitting surface clean and consistent. The grip is designed for secure and comfortable handling. It is perforated, sweat-absorbent, and cushioned, which helps keep your hands dry and steady during intense rallies. The handle size fits well for most players, giving you better control without feeling bulky. This set also comes with everything you need to start playing right away. You get 2 paddles, 4 pickleballs, and a convenient carrying bag for easy storage and transport. Whether you are playing casually with friends or stepping into competitive matches, the Niupipo Pickleball Paddles Set delivers reliable performance, comfort, and great value in one complete package. Coming in at number 2 is the Mten Pickleball Paddles Set. Mten Pickleball Paddles Set delivers a strong balance of power, control, and comfort, making it a great option for players at any level. This set of 2 paddles is USA Pickleball approved, which means it meets official standards and can be used confidently in tournament play. Whether you are practicing casually or stepping into competitive matches, it is built to perform. The paddle construction combines a fiberglass surface with a polypropylene honeycomb core. This design gives you excellent power on your shots while still maintaining control. The honeycomb core helps reduce vibration so each hit feels more stable and comfortable. At the same time, the fiberglass face improves spin, allowing you to add more control and precision to your gameplay. Comfort is another key highlight of the Mten Pickleball Paddles Set. The ergonomic grip is perforated, sweat-absorbent, and cushioned, which helps you maintain a secure hold during long matches. With a grip circumference of 4.57 inches, it gives enough space for wrist movement, making it easier to generate power and spin while staying comfortable. The paddles are lightweight, weighing around 7.78 to 7.8 ounces, which helps reduce fatigue and allows quicker reactions during fast rallies. The wide paddle surface also increases the sweet spot, making it easier to hit consistent and accurate shots even if your timing is not perfect. With its tournament approval, durable build, vibration-reducing core, comfortable grip, and wide sweet spot design, the Mten Pickleball Paddles Set offers a reliable and enjoyable playing experience for beginners, intermediate players, and even more advanced users. And finally, our top pick, the Selkirk Sport Pickleball Paddles Set. Selkirk Sport Pickleball Paddles Set delivers a premium playing experience backed by a brand known for quality and innovation. The SLK Neo 2.0 bundle is designed to suit players of all levels, combining modern technology with comfort and control to help you improve your game from the very first match. One of the key highlights is the graphite paddle surface. The G4 Control graphite surface gives you excellent control over your shots, allowing for more precise placement and smoother gameplay. It is paired with SpinFlex texture, which helps generate consistent spin, giving you better command of the ball during rallies. Inside the paddle, the SX4 honeycomb core plays a big role in performance. This 13mm polymer core increases the sweet spot, making it easier to hit clean and accurate shots even if your timing is slightly off. It also absorbs impact effectively, which softens the feel of each hit and provides more consistent speed and accuracy throughout your game. The Selkirk Sport Pickleball Paddles Set is also designed to feel light and balanced in your hand. Each paddle weighs around 7.5 ounces, striking a great balance between lightweight handling and solid hitting power. This makes it easier to react quickly during fast exchanges while still maintaining control. Comfort is enhanced with the Ultra Cushion grip. The handle is designed to absorb both sweat and vibration, helping reduce fatigue during longer matches. With a 4.25-inch circumference and a 5.25-inch length, it offers a secure and comfortable hold that supports confident play from start to finish. With its graphite control surface, spin-enhancing texture, vibration-reducing core, lightweight balance, and comfortable grip, The Selkirk Sport Pickleball Paddles Set offers a well-rounded and high-quality option for anyone looking to enjoy the game with better control and consistency. Ready to take your pickleball game to the next level? Check the price link in the description to secure your perfect gear today. Make sure to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more excellent sports gear reviews.